Welcome to Sharon Be Making Stuff. It's a new year, finally. Happy 2021, everybody. I don't know about you, but I've done my fair share of binge eating this past holiday season, but considering the kind of year we had in 2020, I'm not ashamed of it. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a healthy peanut butter energy ball recipe to help you kickstart your new year. And for anybody setting healthy eating goals this year, I see you. This makes a perfect pre or post-workout snack or just for healthy snacking on the go. It's all made with whole ingredients and packed with nutrients, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. And let's go ahead and get started. So for ingredients, we only need 8 simple things, starting off with 1 cup of rolled oats. Sometimes they also sell them as large flaked oats, so just make sure to read the packaging. Make sure you are not getting instant oats, okay? We're also going to need 1 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, as well as half a cup of ground flax seeds. I'm just using the golden flax today. Half a cup of peanut butter or almond butter. If you're allergic to peanut, that's fine. 1/3 cup of fancy molasses. Make sure you're not getting the stuff that's too dark, otherwise it'll be quite bitter. You're also going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. The real stuff is better. 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips and 1/4 cup of raisins. Alright, so the first step is to combine all the dry ingredients together. So I'm just dumping in my rolled oats, unsweetened coconut, and the flax seeds into a large bowl, and I'm just going to take my whisk and mix them together until they're all well combined. Next step is to add all the liquids together. I'm combining the peanut butter and molasses and vanilla, making sure I incorporate those 3 things together. If you're finding that the peanut butter that you're using is a little bit too chunky and it's hard to mix, you can microwave it for about 30 seconds until it softens up, which is what I've done, and it should turn out beautifully. Once your mixture is all well combined and it looks kind of like a caramel sauce, you can dump that into the dry goods bowl and mix that with the oats, the coconut, and the flax seeds. So this part's a bit of an arm workout, so grab that wooden spoon and start mixing and mixing and mixing, and don't stop until everything is well combined and it all comes together. And now would be a good time to add in those raisins and chocolate chips. Once you start to notice that everything is coming together, it is time to get down and dirty with our hands, and we're going to get in there and start kneading it like a dough. Eventually, the mixture will start to get a little bit more sticky, and it will start to take shape when you squeeze it, so that is when you know it is ready to be rolled into balls. Okay, so now for the fun part, rolling the balls. So you're just going to take a little bit in your hand, and you're going to roll it together, squeeze it until it starts to take shape, and that is pretty much it. So I wasn't too worried with making them all the same size, as you can tell, but if you're very adamant on that, you can definitely use like a mini cookie scoop to ensure that they are all uniform, but I just eyeballed mine. Just make sure that you're not rolling them too big, like the size of a baseball, because that's going to be impossible to eat. And also, they should be convenient for on-the-go snacking. Once you are done rolling all the balls, you can transfer them over to a container and refrigerate it for a minimum of 30 minutes just to firm it up a little bit before you eat them. Just because when you are forming the balls, the heat from your hands will melt some of the peanut butter and the chocolate. So make sure that you refrigerate it first before you pack it up or eat it. For storage options, you can leave it in the fridge if you want them a little firmer. If not, you can just leave them at room temperature and they'll be fine, because none of these ingredients need to be refrigerated anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Also, is it just me, or is it the more I look at these, the more that they're starting to look like meatballs? So after letting the balls firm up, I just packed them in this super awesome, reusable Stasher snack bag, which I love so much. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just genuinely love Stasher bags because they're great at reducing single-use plastic. And then I just threw it in my lunch kit and I was ready to go. And now I can just enjoy it whenever I need some energy! I was waiting all video to do that, by the way. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Sharon Be Making Stuff. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!